Actually, I'm thinking of doing something. I'm thinking of taking desperate measures. I was gonna say I'm thinking that Urkwise, the blacksmith, can join the companions. And I'm just thinking about why he would. Did you like how I was just silent there? Ready, people? Oh, there, and it just automatically opens for Lydia, of course. I just wanted to see. Lydia. Oh yeah, I just wanted to see like. Oh yep. I know what happens here. Can't kill me. Kill it, Lydia! I'm gonna die here. There we go, archery 25. Lydia, you're getting owned. Okay, I think it's time to bring out the big guns. Something called Orcish Warhammer. Oh! One more. Whoa! Shit, I just got the shivers there. Oh. Scary. It's like just moving. I was just like, the giant frostbite spiders behind me, right? And I just looked behind me. I was like, ah! Okay, guys. I've been thinking, and next episode, it's going to be a full-out role-playing series. I'm not gonna talk. I'm gonna talk the whole episode. I'm gonna talk in my Argonian voice, and I'm gonna do full-on role-playing. And if you like it, tell me in the chat room if you just like it when I. If you like it when I talk like these kind of episodes, and I just talk about life and all that. Or like you like it when I role play and all that. So I'm gonna do that in the next episode. Just tell me about what you like, and I'll do it, guys. In the end, it's all up to you. It's not my decision. It's kind of interesting. Cause, oh yes, oh, woo, that's some nice stuff. Yeah, we can give that to Lydia now.
I got your back.
Now she
All
doesn't
right,
have to
what
wear
is
that
it?
stupid.
Still need me to do something?
No, never mind.
All right.
She doesn't have to wear that
still
stupid
here.
steel.
I am sworn to carry your burdens.
Here he is your dwarven shield. No. And you can have. There we go. Yeah, look at her
Let's get
now.
going, then.
She's gonna own some stuff up. No, I'm gonna put those back. Put my orchid back on. Let's go, Lydia. Let's get out of here. We have found a mysterious note, and the thing wasn't there. So now I'm pretty pissed because I just went into a mysterious ruin of friggin' undeads and skeletons and bandits and necromancers just to find a mysterious note. Ah, that was totally worth it. And I nearly died to a giant freaking spider. Ah, it was totally worth it just to find a piece of paper with some stupid writing, ink on it. And it was just so fantastic. Like, we can sell that paper for, I don't know, we can sell for $10,000. No, I'm just joking, guys. It was a pretty good adventure. We are proceeding in the main storyline. And I don't know why we are doing this. I don't really know, but I do know that it is getting me some materials for me to blacksmith. And it is also, I also have to repair the greybeards for teaching me their shots. If you know me in real life, you know that I like to repay people for doing something for me. So, because I repaid Gerda for letting me stay at her house, so I went to the Jarl. And I repaid the Jarl, slaying the dragon, for giving me a new home and giving me some armor and all that. And so you know that I like to repay people. And I repaid Linda with some armor and with some new gear and weapons for staying by my side and fighting for me. So, as you can see, I like to repay people for doing good stuff for me. I miss my horse. Ooh, Gerda! While I was
Try
talking,
not to set anything on fire, all right?
hey, where's
Whatever you
the
need.
dragon
It's
gone?
here if it's simple and strong. I can forge it.
Where is all going? Oh, they're all going to the inn. Sleeping giant inn. Sounds very cool. Now, I read the mysterious note and it's told me to go Relof.
Thinks he can woo Camilla Valerius away from me.
Look,
She's
we are
already
all
mine,
here.
I'm telling him.
I had heard you died.
There once was a hero named Ragnar the Red who came riding to Whiterun from old Rorikstead. And the
Oh,
braggart
this is very
swagger and
entertaining.
played as he told of bold battles and gold he had made. You look like a traveler.
Can I make a
Sure.
request,
What can
my
I do for
friend?
you?
Can you sing that? Can you take a break? Do you know Age of Oppression?
You must be a Stormcloak through and through to request that one.
Glad you're here.
We drink to our youth and today's come and gone. for the age of oppression is now nearly
Isn't
done.
hey? I think you are getting the lyrics wrong. I think it's the age of aggression, not oppression. It's aggression, you stupid idiot.
Back our home.
I'm not tipping you, you freaking idiot, for singing it wrong.
You are the High King. In
I've heard some things about Ulfric I don't like. But he's right about this war and about Skyrim's future.
Oh, Ralof, my good friend, we go right back, don't we?
when Sovngarde beckons, every one of us dies.
Where is that girl that wanted to talk to her?
Too. I cook.
Here you are.
That visitor been poking around.
I didn't. An attic room.
Attic room, eh? Well, we don't have an attic room, but you can have the one on the left. Make yourself at home.
In your great
Okay.
honor we drink and we sing.
So you're the Dragonborn I've been hearing so much about.
Dragonborn.
I think you're
Oh,
right,
I
yes.
forgot about how I was Dragonborn.
Follow me.
I forgot. Like, just my smithing and adventuring has come over me.
Coming right
and
up.
I forgot how I was Dragonborn. But thank you for reminding me. Oh my God! So much wine.
Buy Ysmir if it's simple and strong.
Oh, I will sure have to drink. Oh my God!
Close the door.
You looking for a new blade?
Alvo, what are you doing?
Now we can talk.
Iron or steel is what you need. Leave that fancy elven stuff to the elves.
Okay. Very nice place. You have your blades.
Give me a mug of it.
Don't you tell me that you are a blade. My father used to tell me stories about blades. Thank you for that.
The Greybeards seem to think you're the Dragonborn. I hope they're right.
Why? You're the one. Sorry, I'm supposed to be meeting the one. The Greybeards are right. I am Dragonborn.
I hope so, but you'll forgive me if I don't assume that something's true just because the Greybeards say so. I just handed you the horn of Jurgen Windcaller. Does that make me Dragonborn too?
What do you want from me?
I didn't go to all this trouble on a whim. I needed to make sure it wasn't